the human adventures are just beginning. We must find the cure. Let's do this. Welcome to the show!
Happy Pride Month, everyone! This space is all about love and acceptance. We all belong and we all shine. Celebrate who you are. Happy Pride, everyone! Let's celebrate Pride! I'm looking for you! Over here! We finally met! I'm just so excited to be here. This setup is absolutely incredible.
I know, right? And look at these amazing raffle baskets. You could win some really cool Pride merch.
It's you! Welcome to my signature outfit reveal. I'm so excited to share this with you. It represents love and equality. I hope you love it. Check out this amazing weapon. E-Day is coming soon. Welcome to the showcase. Join me on this great journey. From the very beginning, look at this absolutely crazy scene right here.